since he's a very very good human being, he always supports every actor in every way, and that is what he has been doing even on social media. I think even I reciprocate the same thing. I have loved him. और ये तो
Yeah.
ड्रीम मतलब ड्रीम में भी नहीं ड्रीम करूं कि मैं शाहिद के साथ काम करूं, वो भी ड्रीम पूरा हो गया. तो आई थिंक उषा ताई जो है उनके साथ तो मैंने पूरी सीरियल करी हुई है मराठी में, पूरी 1.5 साल मैंने सीरियल करी हुई है. सो आई नो हर दैट क्लोजली. बट आई थिंक आई मीन जो सुशांत ने किया है, whatever he has contributed to the industry or पवित्र रिश्ता, nobody can replace it, but everybody have genuinely taken efforts to create something beautiful.
Hi Abhidnya, welcome to Telechaska and congratulations. Pavitra Rishta is back and how do you feel about it? You know, जो इतना अच्छा serial था उसका हिस्सा बनना, what is your feeling like?
फीलिंग तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी है. द रीजन बीइंग ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि वो वापस आया है, मैं उसमें हूँ, तो फीलिंग तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी है. But I've always loved Pavitra Rishta when it was on television. I've been a viewer of Pavitra Rishta, so I think I am a part of something that I have loved truly, and I did not think that I would be a part of. So I think that is what is more exciting. I think life is full of surprises, and this has been one of the best yet.
Yeah, absolutely. इसके अलावा हमने आपको देखा था कि साहिर शेख will be playing the character of Manav, who is seen playing the character of Manav in this serial. So उनका और आपका bond social media पर काफी ज्यादा strong दिखा था. So how is it now, like in between the shoot or after the shoot?
I think वो एक बहुत ही अच्छे ह्यूमन बीइंग है, and I think that is the reason हमारा on screen बहुत ज्यादा काम नहीं था एक साथ. We just had 1-2 scenes together, and that too very less interaction as characters. But I think since he's a very very good human being, he always supports every actor in every way, and that is what he has been doing even on social media. I think even I reciprocate the same thing. I have loved him. I have loved him in Mahabharat as Arjun. So
Yeah.
I was absolutely very very happy when I got to know that Shahir is doing Manav, because नेवर वो ऐसे होता है ना कि एक ड्रीम फुलफिल हो गया कि आप पवित्र रिश्ता का एक पार्ट हो, और ये तो
Yeah.
ड्रीम मतलब ड्रीम में भी नहीं ड्रीम करूं कि मैं शाहिद के साथ काम करूं, वो भी ड्रीम पूरा हो गया. So I think as I said, life is full of surprises, very good surprises, and I'm very very glad that this happened, because I got to know not only a beautiful actor but a very good human being so closely, and I so look forward to working with him again.
Yes, absolutely. And उसके अलावा there are many अर्चना की जो मॉम बनती है वो भी वापस आई थी, तो वो उनको एक देखना काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहा था पिछले सीजन में भी. एंड इस सीजन में वो आई है. देन देयर इज अर्चना जो अंकिता लोखंडे प्ले करी है इस सीरियल में. सो उन सब के साथ ऑन सेट किस तरह का आपका बॉन्ड रहा एंड हाउ वाज इट, कितना कुछ सीखने मिला है?
सीखने तो बहुत कुछ मिला है. आई थिंक बहुत ही सीनियर एक्टर्स हैं पवित्र रिश्ता में जो मराठी में मेरे पहचान के हैं, क्योंकि वी हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ सोशल गैदरिंग एंड वी हैव इंटरैक्टेड देयर. उषा ताई जो है उनके साथ तो मैंने पूरी सीरियल करी हुई है मराठी में, पूरी 1.5 साल मैंने सीरियल करी हुई है. सो आई नो हर दैट क्लोजली. But I think I love them as actors because there is so much to learn from them, and still they are so grounded. I think when I become senior, I would want to be like them, because आप जितने अच्छे परफॉर्मर हो वो तो अलग बात हो जाती है, but you know being a good performer but still being a very good human being is, I think, very few people have really known that knack to strike a balance. And I think everybody on set has been so beautifully balancing it. And I was so happy to work with Usha Kai again, even though हमारे scenes नहीं थे साथ में, लेकिन हम गप्पे मारते थे एक दूसरे के साथ, since we have shared screen in Marathi. और Suchitra Tai, so I used to meet her in gatherings, as I said, but interacting with her, she's a beautiful lady, a beautiful performer. और जो मेरे पति हैं पीयूष, वो तो खैर मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं बहुत सालों से. So I was so happy that कुछ केमिस्ट्री दिखाने के लिए कुछ अलग जरूरी नहीं है, हम में केमिस्ट्री वैसे भी है as friends, because we have been friends for like 7 to 8 years now. So I think that made my journey a little more easy, and Ankita made it all the more easy. Trust me, she made it all the more easy, because she was the only one जिससे I did not know कि हमारा जो ऑन स्क्रीन जो भी केमिस्ट्री होगी हम दोनों की, और अदर रैपो होगा, वो कैसे हो पाएगा. I was always scared for that, but thanks to her, it turned out to be very beautiful on screen and off screen as well. I think she's an amazing actor. She just makes everybody feel at home, even though it is her home. Technically, it is her home, but she made everybody of us feel at home. And I think she took up the responsibility to make the second season all the more beautiful. And that is very this ये जो खासियत है वो ये बहुत कम एक्टर्स में होती है कि वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लेते हैं किसी चीज की, बिकॉज नॉर्मली एक्टर्स काम करते हैं निकल जाते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि हमारा बाकी कुछ से इससे कनेक्शन नहीं, काम करें निकल जाए. But Ankita is not like that. She took up the responsibility. She took it up so beautifully. She made us all so comfortable, and that is what is seen on screen. I think जितना भी वो लोगों को beautiful लगा है, it is all because everybody has genuinely worked to recreate something that was beautiful in a more beautiful way.
Absolutely. This season, it is being said that this season is a tribute to Sushant Singh, and Ankita was previously part of it, and they both shared bond also. So, do you think कि आप पे वो एक responsibility आ गई है कि this season should be the best season, and it should touch the people's heart?
Of course. I mean, जैसे मैंने कहा कि I mean, जो सुशांत ने किया है, whatever he has contributed to the industry और पवित्र रिश्ता, nobody can replace it. But everybody have genuinely, taken efforts to create something beautiful and to match up to the standards that it was before.
Yeah.
I mean, automatically वो बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं होती, आप पे वो responsibility आ ही जाती है. And for of course वो सुशांत तो है ही, लेकिन even the brand as Pavitra Rishta, I mean, it is so huge.
Yes.
Even मतलब वो नाम ही I think पूरा एक aura लेके आ जाता है उसके साथ. And to live up to that, to those standards, yes, we all felt very, very responsible, and we all actors genuinely gave our more than 100%, so that हमारी वजह से कहीं वो वो standard कहीं drop ना हो. We have always made sure everybody of us, and I think the whole unit, including the director, the cameraman, the people who were on set, the technicians, including the actors, everybody have genuinely contributed to do something, recreate something that was beautiful in a more beautiful way. So responsibility तो थी, लेकिन हमने 100% से ज़्यादा efforts दिए हैं, and I hope that people move it.
Okay. एंड इसके अलावा ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि जब कोई भी सीरियल का रिक्रिएशन होता है तो देयर इज समथिंग जो ऑडियंस को अलग देखने मिलता है. तो पवित्र रिश्ता 2.0 में क्या अलग देखने मिलने वाला है? कैरेक्टर्स अलग होने वाले हैं या मानव और अर्चना की स्टोरी अलग होने वाली है? अगर आप थोड़ा कुछ बता सकें तो.
आई थिंक अलग तो इसमें यही है कि जो ब्रीफ भी था खैर कि एकता मैम wanted पवित्र रिश्ता to come in the 20th century, शी वांटेड
Yeah.
उसको ये चाहिए था दैट जो सारी स्टोरी है वो आज की लगे, आज के ईरा की लगे। जबकि पवित्र रिश्ता हो के 8 साल हो चुके हैं, शी डिड नॉट वांट दैट एलिमेंट बैक, शी वांटेड द रियल एलिमेंट दैट इट इज टुडे। सो इवन अगर आप घर देखें तो घर भी उसी तरह से है, पहराव भी उसी तरह से है। इवन दो इट इज सिंपल, इट इज स्टिल you know very near to 2021. The characters are very near to 2000. There's less of drama, it's more of real acting, और आप कह सकते हैं कि very subtle acting, and more of it should look like more of a web series than a television drama. I think ये सारे जो transitions है वो तो है ही, लेकिन story में base same रखे, they have tried to add a little bit of elements to it, a little surprise elements, a little romantic elements, and I think they just wanted to show that story in this era. I think that is what was in Ekta Ma'am's thoughts, and I think that is what has happened. If you all see,
Yes.
it is very something that you could relate to. You could you know जब सीन्स होते हैं तब आपको ऐसे लगता है कि यार ये तो घर में ही चल रहा है, कहीं भी ऐसे नहीं लगता कि ये लोग एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, ऐसे लगता है कि बस ये लोग बोल रहे हैं और कैमरा घूम रहा है. That was the purpose of Pavitra Rishta. They wanted to keep it as subtle as possible, and I think we all have tried to just do that.
Okay. So, coming to the end, Pavitra Rishta 2.0, I guess it's live streaming. So, आपको आपके कैरेक्टर के लिए किस तरह का रिस्पांस मिला है फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के लिए, and also a message you would like to give to your fans as well?
I have got an amazing response. I think एक पवित्र रिश्ता 2.0 की खासियत यही है कि कैरेक्टर कितना भी छोटा हो फिर भी वो नोटिस हो रहा है, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड, because at the end of the day, as an actor, that is what you would want. And I think मैं fans को बस यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि this is just the start. I have a long way to go, and I will make sure that I do not let you down as the performer and as an actor as well.
Okay.